junior finale in 200-meter breaststroke for men. Tomo Sinimotovas has been really strong at this swim meet in this breaststroke, both in the 400 medley and also in this 100 meter that he won yesterday. Here again, Tomo Sinimotovas has really long strokes. Not the greatest turn for Tomo here after the first 50 metres, still in second with a time of 30.63, being Veteran number before from Sweden, turning first at 30.18. And then is able to both time his turns and also have a really good pull out. Like Tomo Sinimotovas is now catching up to Daniel Essenen. This turn is timed much better, allowing Tomo Sinimotovas to lead this heat and also reaching 12 meters in his pull-out. Tomo Sinimotovas has a quite long stroke before the kick, almost coming into streamline before the kick, allowing him to have very few strokes per 25 meter, thereby also a very slow pace compared to the other breaststrokers that we're seeing in this finale. At the 150 meters, still Tomo Sinimotovas with the strongest split time of 34.12. Should be able to take this one home. Again, Leon Essenen is still hanging on, and that will have a little bit in high.